And there is an appeal from the Mandeville Regional Hospital for more consistent donation of blood. Alwyn Miller made the appeal and said that a minimum of 5% of their patients need blood.
On some days, it may be more. We invite members of the public to consider coming to donate blood when they are well, not only when there is a crisis in the family. And then they have to come and seek to get the numbers to donate. Be mindful that every unit of blood saves 3 lives. So it is very helpful to the population. It is very helpful to a wide cross-section of patients. And on any given day as well, we have emergencies that require blood. So we are saying to the public, come out and donate blood. The blood you donate is not only for others, it might also be for yourself.
The CEO of the Mandeville Regional Hospital, Alwyn Miller, was speaking at the recent launch of the hospital's blood drive in collaboration with the Kiwanis Club Division 23 West.